What is up, guys? This is Sean with Stage Driven Media. We here with my brother, man. Actually, we're doing some SC content. So he acquired a aluminum radiator. So he's taking steps to make his car like the best shit out there. So he bought a aluminum radiator, but unbeknownst to him, he had to get a transmission cooler because the aluminum radiator apparently was for a manual SC, right? So I guess again, I'm completely, I don't know anything about the whole SC thing and what you need. So, but he had to go pick up a transmission cooler. So he picked that up and he about to put it in his car now. So that's it right here. This transmission cooler that he picked up. It's a whole kit. Got it for like 30 bucks. That's it right here. So, of course, that's the SC right there. We're actually over here at Aaron's, man. We're over here by Aaron's Automotive. If you guys don't know already, it's kind of our go-to spot. Aaron's a cool guy, owner and mechanic. Of course, he's working on another SC for another customer. Kind of like a Lexus shop right here. Look at all those Lexus. Yeah, he's gonna take off the old one now. What you gonna do with the old one? Sell it? Huh? You gonna sell it or you gonna keep it?
Get rid of it.
Get rid of it?
Yeah.
You just put in that new piping, as you can see. Slowly this thing is just like becoming a damn monster, I'm telling you. Right. Well, yeah, you want to do that. You want to still run that.